In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Zoho Books on Chrome. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid foundation for managing your business finances with ease and efficiency. First things first, you need to log into Zoho Books through your Chrome browser. To do that, simply open a new tab and navigate to the Zoho Books website. Enter your login credentials and hit the Sign In button. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Zoho Books dashboard. This dashboard is your main hub, and it offers a comprehensive overview of your business's financial health at a glance. Spend a little time exploring the sections within the dashboard, such as income, expenses, and cash flow insights. Familiarize yourself with these elements, as they will be crucial in keeping track of how your business is doing financially. Next, let's configure your company details and financial settings. This step is vital because it sets the context for all your financial data and reports. In the dashboard, find the Settings tab, usually located at the bottom left of your screen. From there, select Company Details and fill in the necessary information like your business name, address, and contact details. Once done, navigate to the Financial Settings area to input your currency, fiscal year timeframe, and any tax specifications relevant to your business. Ensuring these settings are accurate is crucial as they impact your financial reporting and compliance. Moving on, it's time to enter your customers, vendors, and products. Head over to the Contacts section in Zoho Books and start by adding your customers. Each customer record should include name, contact information, and payment terms. Similarly, switch to the Vendors tab and do the same for any suppliers you interact with. Don't forget to add your products or services by clicking on the Items tab. Specify the details such as the price and description, which will be used when generating invoices or tracking inventory. With the groundwork laid, let's dive into the operational parts, creating invoices, recording expenses, and managing bills. To create an invoice, select the Sales tab, choose Invoices, and click on the New Invoice button. Fill in the details, such as the customer name and item sold, and then save or send the invoice directly to your clients. Recording expenses is similarly straightforward. Go to the Expenses tab, click New Expense, and record any expenses incurred by the business, such as office supplies or utilities. Lastly, managing bills is essential for maintaining good vendor relationships. Use the Purchases tab to input bills received from vendors, ensuring you track due dates and payments. Finally, it's essential to reconcile your bank statements and run financial reports regularly. Reconcile by matching your bank transactions against those in Zoho Books. This helps ensure that your financial records are accurate and up to date. Once you're reconciled, go to the Reports section to view financial summaries. These reports provide insights into your business performance, helping you make informed strategic decisions. By following these steps, you'll efficiently manage your company's financial data using Zoho Books.